Welcome to New Car Latest Update. Today we're taking an exciting look at the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck, a perfect blend of rugged capability and timeless design. This truck brings the best of classic styling with modern technology and performance, making it a must-see for any enthusiast. Let's dive into the details. From the front, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck exudes strength and character. The grille is wide, with bold horizontal slats that emphasize the truck's commanding presence. The signature Ram badge sits proudly at the center, instantly recognizable and a symbol of the brand's legacy. The headlights are round and rugged, designed with a vintage look, while incorporating modern LED technology for optimal illumination. The front bumper is robust, with sleek integrated tow hooks, adding to the truck's utility and off-road readiness. The sculpted hood features subtle contours, giving the front end a muscular appearance. The combination of modern elements with retro design cues gives this truck a timeless and appealing front profile. Backside. As we move to the back, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck continues to impress with its classic rear design. The tailgate is solid, with a raised Ram logo stamped directly onto it, reflecting the truck's heritage. The rear taillights are boxy and durable, offering a vintage look while utilizing LED lights for enhanced safety and visibility. The rear bumper is strong and functional, with a simple design that complements the rugged aesthetic. The truck bed is spacious, with sturdy sidewalls that enhance the vehicle's capability to carry heavy loads. Whether you're hauling equipment or gear, the back of the Ram Vintage Pickup is designed to meet the toughest demands. Interior view. Inside the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck, you'll find a cabin that blends classic truck utility with modern comfort. The seating is upholstered in premium leather with sturdy stitching that adds to the truck's vintage charm. The dashboard features retro-inspired dials and gauges, with a digital display offering a mix of old-school appeal and modern functionality. The center console houses an intuitive infotainment system which integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for easy navigation, music, and hands-free calls. The steering wheel is robust and wrapped in leather, designed to give you a firm grip and control, whether you're navigating city streets or tough off-road trails. The interior design is simple but functional, with easy-to-reach controls for climate and performance settings. Overall, the interior is a comfortable place to be, with plenty of space for both driver and passengers. Right view. From the right side, the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck showcases its powerful, broad stance. The truck's wide body and rugged design elements give it a solid, stable appearance, ready for any challenge. The side mirrors are large, ensuring great visibility, and the raised fenders accentuate the truck's off-road capability. The door handles are robust, with a simple yet functional design. The rugged lines along the side of the truck flow smoothly, providing a sense of motion and strength. The 20-inch wheels are built for tough terrain, ensuring that this vintage truck is just as capable off the road as it is on it. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the truck's durable design and commanding presence. Lift view. Looking underneath the 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck, you get a glimpse of the heavy-duty engineering that powers this beast. The frame is solid and reinforced, built to handle both on-road and off-road challenges. The suspension system is designed for strength and durability, ensuring a smooth ride even when the terrain gets rough. The exhaust system is tucked neatly under the truck, maintaining a clean look while delivering a satisfying, deep engine growl. The undercarriage is built to last, with reinforced components that allow the truck to take on any workload with ease. The 2025 Dodge Ram Vintage Pickup Truck is a true masterpiece, combining the rugged utility of a classic truck with the modern features and performance that today's drivers demand. Whether you're taking it off-road or hauling gear, this truck delivers in both style and capability.